All right, y'all, I recently was sent this to give my honest opinion on what the candle looks like. And just from the box, it actually looks really nice. I absolutely love the pink and black contrast. So this is perfect for a gift, like for a friend or for a loved one. It is a lavender scented candle. So I'm going to go ahead and open it up. It does say hello, open this way. So I do like the packaging. I'm going to go ahead and open it up. And then on the inside, it says, hello, gorgeous. It also has a little card that you could personalize. So you could actually write a cute little message in there. And then also it does have a velvety texture on here. I'm gonna go ahead and take it out. On the inside, the candle is placed neatly in this little box, so it actually keeps it and prevents it from getting damaged. It does say scented candle on the top. Now I am going to block the word in the front because it is a profanity word, and I'm not sure if I could show this here, but I'm gonna go ahead and show you what the candle says. So Valentine's Day, I love you every day. So definitely if you are looking for something like that, something funny and basically just showing your love for somebody, so you just basically love them every day, you don't need a special day to show your love. I'm gonna go ahead and open it up. So it's like a little tin can, it pops up and it actually smells really good. This is what the inside looks like, and it has like the little wick. So yeah, so this is perfect. Place it on any area of the home, but this is what the candle looks like. Decent size. But if you're looking for a cute little gift that is packaged nicely, and if you like what it is saying, then I would definitely recommend.